Hello.
Hello. I was still vibing to the intro music.
Yeah, I still like it after all these. I was gonna say years, all these episodes. It's not been that many years, I don't think.
2.
Yeah,
Years. It's
yeah,
2. Two.
yeah,
2 is years. All right.
yeah. Multiple years.
Well, welcome everyone. Thank you for watching, listening. Happy to have you here.
Yeah,
Richard, how are you?
yeah. I'm not too bad. Got a yellow wall, which is good.
There's
Yes,
some more additions coming to the wall, right?
there is. Yes, I've got some acoustic panels to put up behind my desk and along here, so you should hopefully see those a bit shortly. And then I can push my desk back against the wall a bit. So yeah, and then put hopefully my little exploded Game Boy Color up there in the frame and that. So that should
Explode
be nice.
like a dematerialized kind of thing.
Like
decomposition.
They took it apart and put all the little bits out.
Oh, nice.
To show, and little lines to say this is this part, this is this part. And
nice, cool.
Yeah, it's good.
Nice.
How about you?
I'm good. The weather is getting better, which
is
very
t-shirt
positive.
weather, man.
Yeah, I'm still wearing a hoodie, but
you can see the sun streaming through my window here. So yeah.
No, I thought it was the yellow wall.
No, that is sun streaming through. There is a bit of yellow wall in the window.
Reflection.
Whatchamacallit? The windowsill area, like I don't know what you even call those bits.
The frame thing.
Yeah. Not the actual window frame, but like the hole for where the window goes on the sides and the top is yellow. Match.
Right. The inner side of the
Yeah. Because you've got the windowsill at the bottom, but I'm not sure what the tops and the sides are called.
Yeah, you can tell we're very into do-it-yourself things, right?
Yes. Yeah, definitely.
All right. So, well, there's no Carl today because work.
No. Stupid work. Work's always getting in the way of everything, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the problem. We need to do less work.
That would be nice.
Less work.
4-day work weeks for the win, I say.
4-day work weeks, yeah.
I would love that.
That'd be nice. But so, speaking of the week, how's yours been?
Really good. Been quite busy work-wise, which is nice. Helping out some colleagues to get some projects done and like over the line. Lots of bicep. Did a video on AKS, this new feature in the Azure portal to help you automatically connect to the nodes using debug pods and stuff like that, which is cool. So yeah, did a quick video, put it up on my YouTube channel. It's been a long time since I put something up on my YouTube channel, like about 2 years. So I thought, yeah, we should do it. So that's up there. Go and have a watch if you want. Also started working on a new side project, part of my KubeDeck system. So go to kubedeck.io and you can see KubeTidy, KubeSnapIt. KubeTidy cleans up your kube config file. KubeSnapIt helps back up your Kubernetes, like quick snapshots, so you can go make a change and then it's all good again. Even does Helm backups and stuff. And then I've got a new one called KubeBuddy, which is going to help like PowerShell again. Gives you options to go and check your cluster for misconfigurations or unused resources or pods with X amount of restarts based on thresholds that you set. So yeah, been busy with those things. Trying to make KubeBuddy look quite fun and unique as well. I'm trying to make like a little speech bubble for a little robot, which was the buddy.
A pixel robot.
I wish it was a pixel robot, but it's just the robot emoji. I wonder if I could use an SVG and put that in there. That's a good thought. Maybe.
But yeah, in there as well.
There will hopefully be, maybe not in the first version, but in the second version. Just trying to work on all of that because it's just basically calls to an API, so it shouldn't be too hard. Just need to make it reliable, and the little speech bubble automatically resize based on that kind of stuff. Yeah, it should be fun. Yeah. So I've been busy. How's your week been?
My week. Did some proposition development, did some marketing stuff, did external DNS, cert manager, federation, identity, all the magic for a customer. That was fun, actually.
Nice.
So we're now looking into configuring that using GitOps as well. As you know, you've got customer with multiple customers and different DNS zones. So it'd be nice if we can do some Flux V2 there.
That would be so cool.
Yeah, so looking into that, which will then also be part of the proposition that we provide, which is nice to standardize things. So we're working on that. Yeah, coaching some people.
Yeah. Question for you.
Mm-hmm.
Is this the first episode back since I came to the Netherlands and we did that podcast recording for work?
Yeah.
So we should probably say, look out for that on the Intercept talk. What's it called? The
YouTube
podcast
Talking
name?
Out Cloud.
Talking Out Cloud.
Yeah. Talking Out Cloud. Yeah.
Like talking out loud, but talking out cloud.
Talking Out
So
Cloud.
the first episode of this season went up 2 days ago. With our CEO and CTO. So go check that out if you haven't. It's on YouTube and Spotify and all that stuff. And then we'll be up there. I think were we episode 3?
No, 2. We're episode 2.
Are we episode 2? Okay, cool. I thought we were.
I think it was going to be released like a little after KubeCon. I think they said.
Yeah, something like that. So yeah,
probably in about a little over a month.
Yep.
Well, we talked about MVP stuff, Kubernetes, containers, cloud native.
Yeah,
a lot.
My little side projects.
Yeah, your side projects.
Yeah.
That was fun. Fun seeing you in person as well.
Yes.
At
the office rather than
I was going to say that
the conference.
I've seen you in the Netherlands and seen you in the US. I've seen you in France, everywhere except for in the Netherlands at the office.
Yeah. So, and I've been at Intercept for 4 years.
Yeah, I mean, but why should we meet at the office? I mean,
exactly. That's what the whole world's here for.
Yeah. So that was
fun. We first
fun.
met at a conference, didn't we, as well? Like that was Ignite 2018. That's where we first met. So yeah,
Orlando.
Yeah, best Ignite ever.
Best Ignite ever. Celebration, Universal Studios.
Oh yes.
I was scrolling through my pictures the other day, and I saw pictures from Universal Studio from back then. That was fun.
That was cool.
It was the I think that was the first where they had the haunted house of Stranger Things.
Oh yeah.
Is that like a pop-up haunted house?
Yeah, they have Halloween horror nights.
Yeah, and I was never really scared of things, and I saw people going in there, and they came out like pale, white, pale. Wow. So I thought, I'd be fine. I came out white and pale, like really. What was that? That was
too scared of demigorgons and stuff. That kind of.
They
stuff,
had like the plant that comes out and that eats you and stuff. They had that in the wall, and you would walk past, and it would like light up and go. That was nice. All right.
Anyway,
not very cloud native though.
No.
Maybe we should head into the news.
Yes, let's do it.
All right. What have we got for news? First question for you. Have you looked
at
the KubeCon schedule?
Little look, yes. I've even got some tabs open because I knew this was coming up and I couldn't remember them.
You've had a month.
I know, it's so bad. I usually go just for the networking, but so there's because my CKA is actually coming up for a renewal next month, so I need to start looking into that. So anyone wanting to do the CKA at KubeCon, Wednesday, April the 2nd, there's the Learning Lounge for the CKA, which is with a guy called Chad Crowell, who's really good. I've known him from a few KubeCons before. He's done some really good training. He's got a website called kubeskills.io, I think, as well, to help it also. That'll be a good session for anyone looking to get that. Maybe I'll wait.
You say KubeSkills?
Yeah, I'm sure it's kubeskills.io.
I'm going to Google now because.
Yeah, me too. In case I got it wrong.
.com, I think.
Is it .com? See, it should
KubeSkills.com. The #1 Kubernetes learning community in the
that's
world.
the one. That is the one. Yeah, .com.
That's good.
Yeah. And then the next one I was looking for is a practical a practical guide to Kubernetes policy as code, because security is quite important when it comes to Kubernetes, and policies are the best way to do your security. And this one's got some people from Microsoft, Fairwinds, and Google all talking in it, so that's going to be quite good. And then there's one with how to gateway with Ingress, 140 days in-gate. So that's basically, the Nginx Ingress controller, they're going to go gateway API as well, and they're calling it in-gate because Ingress gateway in-gate. Really cool name. So I'm excited to see what's happening with that project and how it's getting along. And I love Nginx Ingress. It's a cool thing.
All right,
and there's a load of other security ones, AI ones that I probably will end up watching online afterwards. But it's definitely a massive focus on AI and security, it seems, this year.
That's good. I mean, those are the two big subjects, right? The two big topics that we all talk about, either security or AI. Now, ideally, some security in AI is also important.
And there was one other one which looked like a fun one, and I can't remember. Well, there's going to be a cloud native Wheel of Fortune, 5 spins for 5 topics, which is going to be quite cool to see.
And you win something.
No, I don't think you win it. You just spin a wheel, or someone spins the wheel, and they talk about the topics on the board. And the KubeCon Family Fortunes episode 2 is going to be quite cool, I think, as well. That's in the ICC auditorium on level 0. Yeah.
I still want to win stuff, though.
Yeah, I love winning stuff. Quite a few of the booths, KubeCon Salt Lake City had the spin the wheel thing, and you can win different things, which is cool.
Ignite had that as well.
Yes, it did. Yeah,
I think it was just
maybe it's the AV point board.
Yeah, the ones of the party. AV point.
Yeah.
AV point or AV point?
AV point? AV point? I don't know.
Or AV point?
Yeah.
I don't
know. I don't know.
So, KubeCon.io, if you do not have tickets, you can still get some. It's in London, Excel Arena, top of my head. Near the airport, if you pick the right one.
The London City Airport.
Yeah. Basically, when you just look for tickets to London, airplane tickets, get the most expensive ones, and you'll have the right airport. All right.
Pretty much.
What else is in the new? KubeScape.
Oh, yeah, KubeScape. So KubeScape is a security tool to scan your clusters to make sure they're all up to date, no misconfigurations and stuff. And that's now becoming a CNCF incubating project, which is really cool. They've gone through the process and been approved. So it's good to see some love coming their way because they got such a cool tool.
And contributed by Armo. Let's not forget about that. They're all also always present at any KubeCon. You will see Armo there.
Yeah, they usually have an Armo booth and then a KubeScape booth as well, which is cool.
I would argue KubeScape is more than just security. It does a lot of configuration checks, and it's a pretty good solution.
It is a very good solution.
Yeah. All right. There's more. OpenEBS applied for incubation.
Oh, and what is OpenEBS, Wesley?
OpenEBS, I think it was storage.
It is storage, yeah.
I never looked into it. It is storage.
It's got like a icon or logo of like a donkey or mule. So yeah, I've not used it.
All right. And then we have another one, which is build packs.
Nice.
Is also applying for graduation. Build packs. What is it? More like it's like package manager, right?
I think so. I've not used it myself. I'm gonna Google it now.
Cloud native build packs. Yes. See. Yep. Transform your application source code into container images that can run on any cloud. With build packs, organizations can concentrate the knowledge of container build best practices with a specialized team.
Nice.
Yep.
Did you just read that off the ChatGPT or something?
No, of the website.
Under what we do.
I should say top of mind. I also read the news, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
Yeah. No, Reddit. I'll put a link up here. Let me add the banner because it's actually a pretty cool solution. Never came across it, but
for the listeners, it's buildpacks.io.
Yeah,
because we are on Spotify now as well.
that is true. That is true. Buildpack.io. Yeah, looks good. Looks good.
Nice.
And something else before we get into my little questionnaire. Cloud Native Ambassador Program update. Some things changed. It was multiple times a year, I think, too, but you just said...
It was too, yeah. So this year, they've decided to go for one application window, and that's going to be from the 1st of May, which is a Thursday, until the 30th of June at 11:59 PDT. And you'll then get notified in September, and it'll be announced in September. And then that runs from September 2025 to September 2026. So yeah, I'm not sure why they've made the changes. Maybe it's because it was becoming a lot of work because everyone was applying for it, or they've just decided to make it easier for people to apply and it lasts a bit longer. I don't know too much about it, not being one myself yet, hopefully one day. But yeah, it's if you want to look into it and you want to become one, go and have a look on the CNCF website. There's a button up the top to just search for the ambassadors program, and then when May comes, apply.
Yep, and hopefully you'll get it.
Yeah.
All right, and then CNCF released the 22-24 or the 2024 year in review of CNCF, which actually goes beyond CNCF. And we were just checking earlier before the show on open source projects. So not just CNCF projects, open source projects. Biggest one, what was it? You remember?
I remember. So when he first asked me off air just before this, I thought it was just CNCF projects. So obviously I went Kubernetes, but it's not, because it's open source technology. It is Linux, obviously.
Yep. And Kubernetes is third. So second is NixOS, which is the Linux distribution based on the Nix package manager. That is not CNCF, right? NixOS.
Nope. No, that would just be Linux Foundation, I would assume.
So back to what you said, if we look at the biggest project 2024 and biggest CNCF projects, that would be...
I was right.
Yes. So the way this is calculated is the size is the square root of the number of authors.
Okay.
So, and then Linux
the square root of the number of authors. That seems an interesting way to get that.
You could just say authors, right? Maybe they just wanted to dial down the number because Linux.
Yeah.
And then, to be fair, if we say Linux, we mean kernel.org, right? That's the project, which has 4,727 authors.
Wow, that's a lot.
Well, and then the square root would be 68.8. Is that correct? I'm busting out my calculator here. Let's see if we got it. 4,727 square root 68.75. So yeah, so that's how they did it. Yeah, okay.
Nice.
Oh, I know we have Kubernetes, and then on number 4 we have React. 6 is interesting. Hugging Face.
Oh wow,
but that's
that AI is jumping up.
Yeah, but is that like one project? What's a project? It's more like turning into a community, if you will.
Yeah, it really is.
VS Code is on there, number 17.
Wow, I wasn't expecting it to be that high.
No, Grafana, number 12.
I was going to say that's got to be quite high, and I would expect Prometheus to be up there as well.
No.
Wow.
Open telemetry though, that is.
That's good. I like that.
Datadog, number 8. Those are probably the interesting ones. But you can all check it on the CNCF website. There's a lot more there. Also, things specifically to the CNCF projects. If you look at the most popular ones there, it's Kubernetes and OpenTelemetry, followed by Cilium, Envoy, Backstage, KubeVirt. They're all pretty high. It's not too bad, and that's measured on PRs versus commits.
Ah, that's
So
really cool.
yeah, Kubernetes up top, OpenTelemetry, Argo is very high as well.
Mm-hmm.
But you say Prometheus should be on there as well, right?
I would have thought Prometheus would have been on there.
Let's see, OPA's Open Policy Agent. No, I don't see Prometheus. Oh, it says I've got a list here, and it says another 132. By the way, so it will be on the list.
It'll be on there somewhere.
It's not on my list. It's my
Yeah.
list is a bit bigger. Helm's up there, pretty high as well.
Nice. Love Helm.
Yeah, it's interesting because those are also I found Prometheus, by the way.
Ah, cool. How far down?
No, it's actually not very far down. I just overlooked it.
Ah, cool.
It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th.
Fifth.
Fifth.
I was gonna say I thought it would be high. You just were playing me.
It's fifth. It's pretty high.
Yeah, very high.
But it does confirm that what we use day to day, a lot of those CNCF projects, the popular ones, we use them.
Yeah.
And we'll see what's coming up. Harbor is up there as well. I don't see a lot of Harbor, to be fair.
No, I think that's more for the on-prem clusters rather than the cloudy-based ones.
Yeah, maybe you're right. Third manager is there as well. So very interesting developments. In terms of news in general, there's not a lot of latest news because 30 days left for KubeCon.
Is that all it is?
Yeah. As of tomorrow, I can get my travel permit because Brexit. And
oh yes. You need to get your weird visa thing.
Yeah, it's kind of like when you go to the US, right? You get your ESTA. Now you have something similar in the UK.
Yeah.
Need to get that.
Nice.
And glasses. I'm getting glasses.
Yeah, yes. Joining the club.
Yeah. I mean, I saw you, and I'm like, I want to look as sophisticated.
Yeah, I'm not sure about that.
It does look sophisticated. But then I also learn I'm getting old because I'm getting 2 pairs of glasses, one especially for the computer with the little blue light filter.
Yeah, like these.
Yeah.
These are literally the only times I don't need to wear glasses now is when I'm walking, apparently. Every time it's like computers, driving, TV, mobile phone, laptops.
Off topic before we end the show. What made you decide to get glasses? What triggered you to get them?
What triggered me to get them? I hadn't had an eye test for a very long time. And I found my eyes starting to get quite tired and sort of twitching a bit because the muscles were getting very tired. Because my left eye is actually my strongest eye. Even though I'm right-handed, my right eye is weakest. So this one would yeah. You?
Oh.
Apart from looking at me.
Well, I already had glasses a long time ago, and then lenses, and then nothing for a long time. But you don't have this problem in the UK because everything you watch on TV is English, and you're a native speaker. But then I also have a kid, and not everyone here at the house speaks English. The amount that I do because of work, right, and talking to you. So we have subtitles.
Yeah,
in Dutch, and I got to a point where it was later in the evening, and I'm sitting on the couch. I'm like, I either need a bigger TV or need to get some glasses. And I mean, glasses are cheaper than a bigger TV.
Only just, I'm sure.
that was, that's how it started. But then, for driving and stuff, it's good as well.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, that's that. All right.
All right.
Well, with that, we're out, and we're looking forward to next week. And thank you, everyone, for watching. Thank you for watching at a later time or listening.
Yeah.
And,
yeah. See you
enjoy
next
the day.
time.
Cheers. Bye-bye.
Bye.